Welcome back all of you. In this topic we are going to see the process to be followed by sub-post offices for opening SSA account opened at branch post office. Menu for opening SSA account is CPPF AO and verification of SSA account is CPPF AV. In case of RD and TD account, there is no separate menu for funding. Funding for RD and TD will be done along with the process of opening of account itself. Whereas in case of SB and SSA, funding will be done by separate menus. In case of SSA, funding will be done through menu CPDTM by debiting BO Office Adjustment Account. BPM is using RICT device to open SSA account, and when he is opening the account, the amount will be parked in BO Office Adjustment Account. That is, the amount will be credited to BO Office Adjustment Account. In sub offices, they will be debiting this BO Office Adjustment Account and open the SSA account. Now let us see how this is done in Finacle. Enter the menu CPPF AO and click Go. Choose Open from the function. Enter the SIF ID. Enter the SIF ID. Enter the scheme code as SSA. You can also use this lens to see the scheme code. CPDTM. This menu is used to open both PPF and SSA. At present, PPF account is not available for BO. I am entering SSA in the scheme code and click Go. Click Go. OK. Now mode of operation. Enter the mode of operation by clicking this lens, or if you know, you can very well enter the code here. Click on this lens. This is a minor account operated by guardian. SSA account is specially meant for female child who is of age below 10. So I am choosing 019 as code. 019 means minor account operated by guardian. Choose the documents received as yes. Enter the number of documents received as 1. The number of documents received is nothing but account opening form. Now this is a branch office account. You enter the FSI branch office code here in this field. If you know the code, you can very well enter. Otherwise, you click on this lens. This will list the BOs under your SOL ID. Enter the FSI code of the branch post office in this field. Then enter the RICT unique ID. Enter the RICT unique ID in this field. RICT unique ID is nothing but a unique number which is available on the receipt pasted on the account opening form. When the BPM is opening the account, a receipt will be generated and he will be pasting that on the account opening form. After entering the RICT unique number, enter the document code as 016. 016 is nothing but account opening form. Here you have shown one document is received. What is that one document? That is nothing but account opening form. You can also click on this lens and choose account opening form from the list. Name is available. Scroll down. Enter the name of the nominee. Enter the name of the nominee and enter the relationship code. The relationship code, if you know, you can very well type. Otherwise, you can use this lens to list the relationship code. Enter the name of the nominee. 001 represents the father. So the nominee is the father of the minor. Enter the address, enter the PIN code. Once you enter the PIN code, the city name and state name will automatically come in. Enter the nominee percentage as 100% if you are nominating only one nominee. If you are nominating two nominee, you can enter the actual share for each nominee. Here there is an option, nature of entitlement, trustee and owner. If you choose trustee, the nominee is not the beneficiary. He cannot draw the amount in case of death of the depositor and utilize for his own benefits. He has to hand over the amount to the proper legal heir of the depositor. If you choose owner, the nominee is the beneficiary of the account. Beneficiary in case of death of the depositor, he can withdraw the amount and utilize for his own benefit. Choose it accordingly. Scroll down and click submit. You will be getting this message. The account will be marked invalid if not funded immediately. Funding is a separate process. We will see later. Now account will be opened successfully. Click accept. Again you get a warning. Click OK and the account is opened successfully. Note down this account number on account opening form, KYC form and the paying slip and hand it over this application to supervisor for verification. Now let us see what the supervisor will do with this application. Log on as supervisor and enter CPDTM, CPPF AV, CPPF AO is account opening, CPPF AV is verification and click go. Choose verify from the function, enter the account number. You can also use this lens to select the account number. Click go. Now the supervisor verifies each and every field. If everything is found correct, then click submit as a token of verification. Click accept, click OK. The account is verified successfully. So we have completed two steps. Still, we have not funded this account. In the next step, we are going to see funding of account. Log on as operator. Enter menu CPDTM and click go. CPDTM is the menu for funding of account. Choose add from the drop down. Enter. This is not cash deposit. Choose custom transfer. We are going to transfer the amount from branch office adjustment account to this particular SSA account. So choose cash transfer, choose normal contribution and click go. Enter the SSA account number, credit. We are going to credit the SSA account number. Enter the amount. Here, enter the RICT unique number in this field. Then enter debit account number. Debit account number is nothing but SOL ID followed by FSI BO code followed by N. We are going to debit the account number. Debit the BO adjustment account number. So enter the BO adjustment account in this field. You can also use this lens to select. After entering the debit account number, click Submit. The transaction is posted successfully and the transaction ID is generated. Note down this transaction ID on the pay-in slip and pass it on to supervisor for verification. Now log on to Finacle as supervisor. See, this is supervisor ID. Use the same menu CPDTM and click Go. Choose Verify. Enter the transaction ID. Click Go. Now the supervisor carefully verifies the account number, debit account number and the RICT unique number and click Submit. The transaction is now verified successfully. So this is how we open BOSSA accounts. Thank you.